Hello and welcome to Come Read With Me, where we take one topic from the newspaper and break it down into a 3-minute explainer. Today's topic is from the Indian Express newspaper, so come read with me. Now the topic is, for the second straight time, ISRO sees third stage issue. That means the PSLV rocket has for the second time failed. India's PSLV rocket has failed again while launching a satellite. This is the second time in a row that this problem has happened in the third stage of this rocket, and because of this problem the satellite could not reach its current orbit. Alright, so the satellite did not reach its current orbit. And now what is the third stage problem? Let us understand that the rocket does not go up in one go. So it works in steps called stages, alright? And in these stages, think of a rocket like this. Stage 1 is push off the ground. Stage 2 is go higher and faster. Stage 3 is reach space speed. Stage 4 is place the satellite in the exact orbit. Now this time the third stage did not produce enough power, so the rocket did not get enough speed to stay in that orbit. And now let us understand why did it all fail. See, the third stage uses a solid fuel engine. The fuel must burn very precisely to create high pressure and speed. But the pressure dropped, the engine didn't push hard enough, so the rocket slowed down. Without enough speed, gravity pulled it back, so the satellites got stuck in the wrong orbit. And why is this serious? Let us understand why this is an issue. See, PSLV is India's most trusted rocket. It launches satellites for India as well as for other countries, and which will pay India. But now, two failures in a row have happened, both in the same stage. This raises doubts about ISRO's reliability. Foreign companies might think twice before giving India their satellites. Now let us understand the big picture. See, this is not just a technical issue. It affects India's reputation, space business, international trust, and ISRO must find the exact defect, fix it, prove PSLV is reliable again. Let us understand PSLV, a four-stage rocket. We have already talked about this. Then what exactly happened the last time? In the May 2025 mission, the third stage engine's combustion chamber saw a drop in pressure. Because of this, the rocket was unable to attain the required velocities. So the third stage is becoming a problem again and again. Now let us understand why this whole topic is important for UPSC examination. So this is highly relevant for GS paper 3, which is science and technology, space technology, launch vehicles, PSLV, Gaganyaan, reliability of critical technologies, indigenous engineering, and for GS paper 3 again, for economy perspective also, GS paper 2 also, for international relations, and for essay and ethics also, this article becomes highly important. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching.